So when we think about how do we make people smarter, you've heard this from Matt as well: awareness, knowledge, action. 3 tenets that we can deliver to our employees to ensure that they make smart decisions inside the enterprise. Now, talking about awareness, what is awareness? Awareness is first a different user interface concept. That instead of awareness in the sense that I am going to go to a portal page and see what's going on, I'm going to be pushed information intelligently by the system, by listeners out there and intelligent agents out there that are going to be pushing me information, making me aware of the enterprise actions that are going on to the enterprise. And of course, as I'm pushed this information, awareness is seamlessly tied to engagement. So we can connect the salient people important to that action together to help solve that problem collaboratively. It's very important to tie collaboration not only as a separate component like email, but into the business operation decision cycles. And that's what we're trying to achieve with the Appian activity stream tempo interface, is raise awareness of what's going on in the enterprise and provide a platform for people to gauge in context of what's going on. Now, when you have that intelligence, I know an action has occurred, a customer has called in and complained. How do I respond to that person? And I need to make a decision typically. Decisions need to be based on knowledge. Knowledge is the gathering information across the enterprise. All those siloed systems, SAP, Salesforce, all these environments, we need to seamlessly connect and make them interoperate seamlessly together so that a person doesn't take 20 minutes to make a decision, but can see everything that's going on, make a decision more rapidly. More importantly, we need to take the unstructured information, the collaborations that are occurring, and directly tie those to that knowledge, directly tie it to the data, so that when I look at a CRM record, I don't just see the static defined information, but as well I see the conversations that are occurring in the context of that customer, so I myself can make a smart decision based on what other people are talking about in the context of that data. Finally, when it comes time to make a decision, we need to ensure that decisions that are made in compliance with the policies, rules, and procedures that we have dictated across that organization. In financial services, in healthcare, there is very little room outside of some of these policies, unless you have the wrath of the United States federal government on top of you to make these decisions. So we need to ensure we have very strict controls when it comes to a time to make decisions in a very orderly and organized process, and that's where BPM comes into play. We can basically have these actions tied directly to the knowledge of your system, the engagement platform as well, and then enforce those procedures through business rules and process orchestration.